Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today, we're exploring the thrilling realm of passive income with the Salala mobile app. Prepare to turn your unused internet and data into tangible rewards. Salala is an innovative app that turns smartphones into income sources through AI. With a user-friendly interface, it enables users of all technical backgrounds to engage effortlessly in AI tasks. It uses edge computing to combine AI flexibility with cloud efficiency, empowering users financially. The app enables AI model training on the cloud, renting cloud nodes for extra processing power, and experimenting with AI train-to-earn on their devices. It offers accessible and lucrative AI-enhanced tasks. Its cutting-edge technology ensures low latency and high flexibility, making it ideal for AI enthusiasts, developers, and innovators. Salala boasts over 1 million global users, with more than 3 billion jobs trained and 179 million rewards paid out. They partner with industry leaders like Qualcomm, Eureka, and Vitala Retail. Earning from Salala is simple and easy. Let me walk you through the steps. First, pause the video for a moment. Grab your phone and scan the QR code on the screen to download and install the Salala app. You can also find the download link in the video description. Upon opening the app, you'll be welcomed by an intuitive interface. The Home tab offers a comprehensive dashboard view where you can access tasks, train AI, transfer funds, check your balance, and more. Next, the Tasks tab displays all your tasks, including those you've completed and those that are pending. The Network tab provides a wealth of information about other Salala users. It also enables you to expand your network and invite friends to join. Salala's referral program is a goldmine. Earn 25% of the total AI training revenue from the devices you refer. Plus, unlock additional earnings with device customer bonuses and global AI training revenue bonuses. In the Profile tab, you can check your balance, transfer funds, and review your transaction history. You can also reach out to customer support from this tab. Make sure to verify your identity before transferring your balance. Now, let's dive into the Train AI tab, the heart of the action. Here, you can engage in AI training tasks to earn exciting rewards. For maximum efficiency, set it to auto so that pending tasks are automatically completed, boosting your earnings effortlessly. Plus, you can keep an eye on your wallet balance right from this tab. Isn't this interface incredibly detailed and engaging? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Salala is absolutely free and operates independently of your device's power. Dive into the world of passive income without any cost or power constraints. Boost your earning potential by adding more nodes and opting for premium plans. Unlock even greater rewards and maximize your passive income with Salala. Join the Salala community today and start earning passive income while shaping the future of AI. Sign up now by scanning the QR code on screen and transform your unused internet and data into valuable rewards. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.